Hi, my name is EJ, and my project falls in the physics and mathematics category. The base idea of my project is to translate principles from physics into a stock predicting model. The name of this new model, which is actually based off of Newton's law of cooling, is called the PRQLM, or Price Reversion Quasi-Logistic Model. While this model is great at showing me trends in the market, it doesn't actually provide me a concrete way to predict tomorrow's value based off of previous values. So in order to do that, I first use the process of discretization in order to transform my differential equation model into a recursive model. From then, I modified it to make it a periodic function, more specifically a periodic function in modulus 4. From there, I noticed that in order to predict stocks well, not only do you need to be able to predict the value of the future stock, but you also need to know how much that model may be right or wrong. So in order to do this, what I use is a principle from physics called error propagation, and I was actually able to determine a linear relationship in the potential error. Since, in the stock market, potential error is synonymous to potential risk, I designed an algorithm based off of this principle. More specifically, my algorithm was aimed to minimize risk and also tell me when to invest when tomorrow's value is greater than today's value, indicating a profit. So, from there, I actually ran this through many different sets, more specifically 30 sets in different companies and different times. What I found is that my model performed optimally in stagnant market conditions. And this makes sense because it was based off the equilibrium. What I found was that in conditions of stagnancy, the market generated approximately 1 to 0% revenue, whereas my model generated 6 to 7% revenue, showing a significant increase. One of the best discoveries in my model was that in the 2008 Great Recession, it was actually able to profit while the market plummeted. So that's my project. To summarize, I primarily use principles of physics and mathematics to try and successfully predict the stock close values.